It's almost like 10 a.m., which is almost like lunchtime, but just woke up not too long ago. So we went out and got some noodles for breakfast this morning, right? We got pad thai mu, right? Which is stir-fried noodle with pork, right? You guys all know what pad thai is. Pretty common Thai food. Then here is bami nam, which is egg noodle soup, egg noodle and water, the egg noodle soup with some mudeng, which is like the barbecue pork with the little red on the outside. Looks like some fish ball, cilantro, onion, and bami egg noodle. Let's eat. I don't know what kind of broth this is, but I think it might be pork broth, since it's just called bami nam, right? Egg noodle water. Let's see what kind of soup this is. Soup's pretty it's a plain and simple soup. For some reason, that tastes like seafood in it. Maybe from the fishbowl. Could be from the fishbowl. I don't know. But it's pretty good. It's just a simple, I believe it's pork broth. Let's add some chili pepper in here. I don't think it needs any sugar. And this is vinegar. I don't think it needs any of that. We got some of these on standby. You remember, right? We always gotta have pepper. Alright. Noodle breakfast. Correction. This isn't a fish ball, it's pork. Good. Looking to be another sunny, beautiful day today. It's the mudang. It's pretty sad. Nice, it's a pad thai. Right, there's some, I don't know what these are, maybe chives, some bean sprouts, egg noodle, some pepper flakes, some lime. Squeeze a little lime on here. Let's eat. It's not a strong tamarind or a strong ketchup flavor as you find back in like the US. Some Thai restaurants be pretty heavy on the tamarind and on the ketchup. Alright. First pad Thai here in Thailand. It's pretty good. I've had better, but this is pretty good. Downside of taking noodles to go, they clump up. If you were to eat this in the restaurant, sit down, man, it would be so good. Like, it wouldn't be clumped up like this. Either way, it's still good. Hey, we're here at a restaurant here called View 360, but it's a pretty cool place. The drive up here was pretty scenic. It's a lot of curves. You might get car sick, but the drive up here was scenic and it was beautiful. This is a beautiful place. It's nice and quiet. There's not that many people here. It's not too busy. Maybe later on in the night, but I'm not sure. Either way, it's pretty cool. Must be called View 360 for a reason. We'll check it out in a little bit. Then there are these bamboo hut looking places where you can sit and just have a meal. The parking lot is a little bit on the smaller side, the upper parking lot, so that's something to be aware of, but there's plenty of parking on the lower level. So there's a view up here. There's the name of the place. So we'll go upstairs and check out the view upstairs. So you can also camp here. Right, they got little tents over here, which look pretty cool. There's a few of the tents. So you camp here, then they got food you can eat, and look at the beautiful view. All right, food is served. It's lunchtime, so I got some yum muyo. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks sad. Yum muyo, which is basically ham loaf, salad, There's some tomato. There's red onion, some carrots, cilantro, pepper, of course, and then the sauce, which is it's a yum, so it's gonna be sweet, sour, and salty, equal portion. And then some Japanese rice. Some Japanese rice. I know, right? They got Japanese rice in a Thai restaurant. It's cool. And then this is some tom sap. Some tom sap with it's like pork like cartilage, or like the from like the rib section, like the cartilage from like the rib section, right? Super sap. I don't know if you guys can see that, but man. All right, let's eat. Haven't had tom sap in a while, so I'm gonna try this. Oh yeah, it's sour. Yeah, it's almost like tom yum, but not quite. It has like that sour, sweet sour kind of flavoring that you would find in like tom yum, but it's a little different. But the broth is good. Yeah. Let's get some of this meat. Some of this cartilage meat right here. See that? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's minty. There's some mint in here. It's sap. Yeah, if you guys are ever in Naan, you gotta come and check this place out. Like the views are spectacular. It's real nice. You get to see, I mean, just to drive up here, you get to see like a little bit of the country. The ham loaf. It's almost like the ham loaf you would find in like the Vietnamese banh mi. Just like that. Cheers. You get some crunch from the carrots and the red onions. Give your taste buds a little playground to play in. Nice background music and a beautiful view and good food. That's a good combination. And just right off in the distance is the weekend night market. So we're just here at not like a small park. The girls are playing, and then we're gonna take a walk at the night market. There's the weekend market. You do need a vaccine card to enter, so just a heads up. ท่านถึงจะเข้ามาเที่ยวในตลาดถนนคนเดินของเมืองน่านนะคะ
แสดงหลักฐานการรับวัคซีนแอปหมอพร้อมนะคะหรือจะเป็นเอกหรือสแกน
So if you've never been here, you gotta come and check it out. A lot of food to be had here, and not only food, but they also got like other gifts and stuff that you can buy. Everything looks so good, but you just can't have everything. Just gotta come back another day. This is only on the weekends. So gotta come back every weekend to try something new. We even got clothing here other than food. I think all this stuff back here is all clothing and gifts. We're gonna go back and just look at the food.
You want to put in the coconut? Or you want to put in the bread? Huh?
They got a place here also where you can sit and eat after you've gotten your food. It's a pretty big place. Some live music. It's a beautiful day to be outside. Got this from that night market, that weekend market. It's just avocado smoothie. Just fresh, straight up avocado, no powder, nothing, right? It's orange season here in Thailand, so I just picked up some fresh pressed orange juice. You know this is gonna be sap and sweet since it's orange season. And we just got I just picked up a bunch of meats on a stick. This one here is I haven't tried this one yet, but it's the head of a shrimp. Let's eat. Tastes just like a shrimp head. Not too bad. And then I also got some bam, mu ping, right? Always can't go wrong with mu ping. Yep. That's it. Taste of the fresh pepper and the mu ping. Makes a good couple. This is nam. Nam is pork is fermented, so it's going to have a little fermentation taste to it. Let's eat. Saap. And this last baggie I just got is spicy grilled meat. Spicy grilled meat. Spicy grilled beef. Spicy grilled beef. I'm guessing it probably has a sweetness to it. Just like most of the meats on the stick. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. I prefer the pork though. It's not spicy. Fresh orange juice. Yep. It's sweet. Just like the orange itself. Sweet. There's some pulp in it too. That was delish. Alright, that's gonna end it for today. I hope to see y'all again next time. Until then, peace out.